Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the advice animation named To My Son, and we will use the Revive application here. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this Revive application, and don't worry because this app can be also installed into your Android or the iPhone or the iOS. And if you are the new user of in the previous time you didn't buy the package, then this app will also offer you this package. There are the lifetime and weekly, and so does the benefits here. And if you are interested, then you can continue to do the payment. But if you are not interested, then you can just skip it. But maybe there will be a lot of advertisement during the process. And if you're okay with that, then you can skip it. And kindly wait for the ad. And after that, it will bring you into the home page over here. And since we would like to create the advice animation To My Son, then you can just scroll down and choose the category of wishes and cheers here. And as you can see, this is the effect that we will use here. We can see the preview first.
To my beloved son, never forget that I love you forever. From the moment you came into my life, you brought a sense of joy and purpose that were.
If you're okay with that, then you can click it.
To
And
my beloved son.
It will bring you into this field, and you can start to select the favorite picture from your gallery if you want to. You can click this gallery. Or if you would like to choose the picture that has been provided by this app, then you can choose the popular. Then you can select or try the picture here. For example, I will choose this one. And I will click Revive. Kindly wait for the process and also the advertisement, guys. And after waiting for the process, this is the result after the generation. Let's watch the result, guys.
Remarkable person you are today has been one of my greatest joys and privileges. To my beloved son, never forget that I love you forever. From the moment you came into my life, you brought a sense of joy and purpose that words can hardly capture. Watching you grow into the remarkable person you are today has been one of my greatest joys and privileges.
So this result, it's look the natural, and also the gesture by the eyes and also the mouth is quite natural. So if you would like to save or download this animation, then you can click this save button. Or if you would like to share this video directly into your social media, then you can simply click this share. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this app into your device, and please let us know if this app also works for you. And I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.